Ang pag-aaralan natin ngayon is factoring general trinomials. Factor y squared plus 4y minus 21. So, ito yung solution natin. Agad gawa tayo ng dalawang factors or parenthesis, open and close. Step 1, factor the first term. So, ang first term natin is y squared. So, that is y times y. Okay, susulat natin siya agad doon sa factor natin or first term ng binomials. Then, step number 2, factor the last term. So, ang last term natin is negative 21, whose sum is positive 4. Okay, so factor ng negative 21 ay 1 times negative 21 equals negative 21. Negative 1 times 21 is negative 21. Okay, another factor, 3 times negative 7. And then, negative 3 times 7 equals negative 21. Next, i-add na natin. So, 1 plus negative 21 is negative 20. Then, negative 1 plus 21 equals positive 20. Okay, next, 3 plus negative 7 equals negative 4. Then, negative 3 plus 7 equals 4. So, yung sum na positive 4 o yung factor na may positive 4 is negative 3 and 7. So, therefore, yun yung isusulat natin doon sa dalawang binomial na factor natin, which is magiging y minus 3 at y plus 7. Okay, so the factor of y squared plus 4y minus 21 is y minus 3 times y plus 7. Okay, so next step, i-check natin. Okay, so tingnan natin kung tama yung factor natin. Okay, para ma-check, multiply natin yung dalawa. Y times y is y squared. Then negative 3 times positive 7 is negative 21. So, tama yung first term, tama yung last term. Okay, check natin ang middle term. So, negative 3 times y is negative 3y. Y times 7 is 7y. And then, i-add natin. Negative 3y plus 7y is 4y. We have now y squared plus 4y minus 21. Okay, which is match yung product na nakuha natin doon sa given trinomial natin.